Welcome to this concise tutorial on enabling the Reblog button in WordPress. In this walkthrough, you will learn how to adjust your settings in just a few minutes to allow visitors to reblog your posts, enhancing the shareability of your content. Let us begin by first opening your web browser and navigating to WordPress. Once the site loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you will notice a login option. Clicking on this will allow you to access your account and begin the process. After selecting login, you'll be prompted with various sign-in options. In this instance, the tutorial shows how to use Google for authentication. Simply click on the option that says Continue with Google, and from the list of available accounts, choose the one you regularly use for WordPress. This method offers a secure and streamlined way to log in without the need to remember an additional password. With your account verified and you now being inside your WordPress dashboard, the next step involves navigating to the Tools section. The Tools section is a hub of functionality where you can manage a variety of site settings and features. By clicking on Tools, you are making your way toward customizing the sharing settings available to your visitors. Within the Tools area, you will need to find and click on the Sharing Buttons option. This setting is where you can manage how visitors interact with your content, and it includes features that allow sharing across different social platforms. By selecting Sharing Buttons, you begin the process of enabling additional sharing features, such as the Reblog button. Once inside the Sharing Buttons panel, take a moment to look at the different options available. The key setting you are looking for is the Show Reblog button feature. This particular option is designed to give your audience an easy way to share your posts on their own blogs, thereby increasing the reach of your content. When you locate this setting, click on it to toggle it on. This action not only enables the Reblog button, but also helps create a more interactive community around your blog posts. After you have toggled on the Reblog feature, it is essential to confirm your choices by saving your changes. Look for the Save Changes option, which is usually located in the same panel. Clicking this ensures that all of your modifications are applied to your site. By saving your settings, you guarantee that visitors will see the Reblog button when interacting with your posts. Following the successful update of these settings, you have effectively empowered your site with additional functionality aimed at enhancing content discovery and engagement. This simple process of logging into WordPress, navigating through the Tools section, accessing the Sharing Buttons panel, enabling the Reblog feature, and saving your settings should now provide you with a more dynamic and interactive website. This tutorial is intended to be quick and straightforward. Each step builds sequentially on the one before it, ensuring you have a smooth experience as you enable the Reblog button. Whether you are a seasoned WordPress user or exploring the platform for the first time, this guide will help you enhance your site's functionality with minimal effort. Enjoy exploring the additional ways you can interact with your audience and take full advantage of the sharing capabilities designed to amplify your content throughout the WordPress community.